Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. So firstly we should check if you have the last version. Open the application and go to the settings at the right top. Right here we have update, click on it and it said that I have the last version. If you haven't, just update to the last one. Now, what we can also do, maybe it's a problem of the music player, so let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify, it's the same, just try to remove it from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fixes your problem. Also I recommended to check if you have the last version of the audio player here. And now, the last one, what we can do is hard reset. So let's open settings. And now, firstly press and hold on the both of touch areas to turn off your earbuds. Here we go, we have this red LED light, so we turn off it, and after that press and hold again for at least 10 seconds. So firstly it enters to pairing mode, and after that it performs a factory reset. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and now we should turn on it, so press and hold on the both of touch areas. We turn on it, and now it enters to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!